everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how AI, specifically ChatGPT, can help you design kinetic typography in After Effects considerably faster and with greater control. If you've ever spent hours changing text position, opacity, and timing, you understand how tedious it can be. In this video, we will learn how to use AI to perform these tedious tasks, allowing you to concentrate more on the creative aspect of your motion design. So let's begin by opening After Effects, and let's create a new composition. Let's name it Typography. Now we are using a width of 1920, height 1080, duration 5 seconds. Let's press OK. So using our text tool, let's type in something. So I'm using hi Johnson as my text. Now, in order to animate each word separately, we need to isolate each word into its own layer. So to do that, let's first duplicate our layer. Because mine has only 3 words, I'll duplicate my layer twice. Now, using our shape tool, let's select our layer and mark the word we want to isolate on each layer. So let's select the second layer. Using the shape tool, let's mark the arm. Select the third layer. Using the shape tool, let's mark the Johnson. So in that case, we'll have arm on its separate layer, high on its separate layer, arm on its separate layer, and Johnson on its separate layer. Now for a smooth animation, let's select our anchor point tool and move the anchor point to the middle lower part of our layer. So let's do that for all the layers. So now let's animate our text using AI. So let's go to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Create an After Effects expression that slices the text layer upwards from below and fades it in between 0 and 2 seconds. Then let's press OK. So now ChatGPT will create expressions for both the movement from upwards from below and the fade in. So we have a position expression, then opacity expression for the fade in. So first, let's copy our position expression, then go back to After Effects. Now let's select all the layers and press P for the position bar. So by pressing Option and clicking on the stopwatch, we open our position bar, then let's paste in our expression. So let's do that for all the layers. So select the layer, Option, then the stopwatch, then let's paste. Select the layer, Option, stopwatch, then you paste. So by pressing your space bar to preview, you will notice that your text slides upwards from below. Now let's go back and copy our opacity expression. So let's copy our opacity expression, then come back to After Effects. Let's select all the layers, and this time let's press T for opacity. And by pressing Option and clicking the stopwatch, let's paste in our opacity expression. So let's do that for all our layers. So Option, stopwatch, then you paste. Again, let's press our space bar. Now we have it. Our text slides upwards from below and it fades in. So once you are satisfied with your animation, let's go to File, Export, Add to Render Queue. Then let's render our animation. And there we have it. Without any keyframes of any kind, you have been able to create a text animation like this. And that's the end of our video. And that is the advantage of AI in motion design. ChatGPT creates expressions and automates tedious tasks, freeing you up to concentrate on your creative aspects of your design. Thank you for watching. Try these ideas with your own text animation and see how much time AI can save you.